Klingon fused helicopter Chod leaders. These 1 metre long fused leaders include all the components for a classic helicopter or Chod rig end tackle. The fast sinking fused leader material combines extreme abrasion resistance with ultra low diameter and anti-tangle performance for long range casting. A large fused loop on one end allows knotting or looping to the mainline. A wide link clip ensures quick and easy lead attachment and changes. The large-eyed quick change helicopter swivel allows hook links to be replaced with no need for knotting and ensures safe hook link ejection in the event of breakoff. Available in weed green or dark silt with 40-pound braking strain. Klingon fused helicopter Chod leaders.